Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to show you how to change the air filter in your lawnmower. Okay, on this particular mower, it's a Toro with a Kohler engine, and it's important that you see that the CC on there, so it's a 149 CC, and this is important so that you're purchasing the right air filter to go with the lawnmower that you have. So you may have a lawnmower with a Briggs & Stratton engine or a Tecumseh, whatever it may be. It's important to know what kind of engine you have so that when you go to Ace, you can buy the correct air filter. All right, so this is the correct air filter right here. It's a Kohler genuine part number that fits this unit. Now on this particular engine, this housing right here is where the air filter is. And you'll see a little thumb area here to kind of loosen and unclip it. And then there, the dirty filter. And you can see the little dirt and the debris that's on there. This is really important to change because you want to make sure that the airflow is unimpeded to the engine so that it runs as smoothly as possible and as cleanly as possible. I'm just going to take a brush and kind of clean out any dust or debris that's inside there to clean it all out. You could use a shop vac if you wanted to, but go ahead and clean that all out. Okay, then you're going to take the new filter and pop it in place. It's going to have to kind of squeeze in there to fit in to where it goes. Then you take the cover, mount it on the bottom here like this, and just click it back into place. Coming up next, how to change the blade on your lawnmower.